Hi, this is Mr. Hove from Bluefin Vision. The video topic today is who is suitable for lens replacement surgery. So there are two categories of patients that we're doing lens replacement surgery. Either you've become presbyopic, which means that you now need glasses for reading and you're not wanting to wear glasses for reading, or you've got a significant degree of refractive error, so you're either minus whatever number or minus or plus whatever number, and so you already wear glasses either for distance or for reading and you don't want to wear glasses anymore. And lens replacement is typically done in patients in their 40s onwards who don't want to wear glasses or contact lenses. These patients may not be suitable for laser eye surgery, or having had laser eye surgery explained to them and understand that if they choose to have laser eye surgery, they are probably going to need glasses for reading soon afterwards, opt down the road of having lens replacement surgery. Thank you.